D&D Sports can be found on all social media platforms, including Instagram. All right, D&D Sports fans, welcome back. Today is the day we're going to draw the $40 giveaway, and I'm going to explain the fact of the mystery box giveaway, which is going to happen August 31st. But before we do that, what I have right here is all the comments from the last 5 weeks worth of videos, all the comments that you guys left that qualified you for any of the weeks that, any of the $10 giveaways. So every one of the comments, there's going to be a winner picked out of all these, okay? The other thing is the mystery box. I'm learning one thing. Certain people on YouTube do not like surprises. Because what I'm learning is this box right here has caught me all kind of slack on my Facebook page with people telling me that there's nothing in the box, that this is fake news. I should be ashamed of myself for putting a YouTube video out there telling people that I'm going to give something away when there's nothing in the box. So I'm going to reveal what's in the box today to you guys. Okay, but this is the video that's going to start it all. If you watched any of my other videos, you know you qualified another way, but if you're new to the channel, tonight this video is the way that you will start to become qualified for this box. So let's draw the $40 winner first. I want to make it fair. We'll mix all these up. There's a lot of them here. Somebody fell. And the winner is Dan Gavin. Oh, I guess I'm holding that wrong. Maybe I need to hold it up to you guys so you can see it. So the winner is Dan Gavin RC. Okay, Dan Gavin has been following my channel and making comments just about on every video that we have. Dan Gavin also has lives overseas, so he's one of these guys that don't qualify for this box, okay? But he did come to the US and he did order a TRX4 Sport and a couple other parts. I had it sent to the place where he was staying here in the US, and he has a couple videos that he has done on that Sport, which I'll put a link in my description so that you guys can go check out maybe his channel, subscribe to his channel. He's got some good content on there. Like I said, he's a younger guy, but he's an up-and-coming channel. All right. Well, congratulations to Dan Gavin. So we're going to set that aside. All right, guys. It is a sealed box. Okay. Now I've got. Let's get out of the sun. I've got so many messages through my Facebook page that this is fake. Well, there's nothing fake about it, guys. I will tell you, there is an RTR in this box. It has everything you need: battery, charger, everything you need but the 4 AA's. And we're going to give it all away August 30th. Now, the way to win this box is to comment on any one of my videos or all of my videos between now and August 30th, and that will qualify you. So basically, I'm going to do the same exact thing I did here. All of the comments, and then we'll just draw the winner. So it's not sealed on the bottom. So I'm going to do this one-handed. But are you ready? Are you ready to see the prize? There it is, guys. Yep. It's an RTR in that box, but I'm still not going to reveal to you what RTR. This is a birthday present. It's my birthday. August 30th is my birthday, and this is a present to one of you guys. All right, well, thanks for watching. Click the subscribe button, turn the bell on to get notified so you don't miss any of our videos between now and August 30th.